There's a moment in every separation, breakup, or emotional distance where something unexpected happens. Something she never imagined, something you never believed would be possible, and something that flips the entire power dynamic upside down. It's subtle at first, almost imperceptible, but it's there, the shift in energy, the quiet stirrings of curiosity that ripple beneath the surface. She doesn't come back because of a text, a plea, or even because she misses you. She comes back because of a change she cannot control, a psychological pull that begins when a man stops seeking her validation and starts reclaiming himself. Most men assume that when a woman returns, it's about longing or nostalgia, but missing you is merely the surface, the tip of a much deeper current. The truth is far more profound. She comes back because she senses a shift in the balance of power. She feels the emotional authority she once had over you slipping away. That subtle loss triggers something primal: confusion, intrigue, even a little fear, but above all, attraction. It's an invisible thread tugging at her mind, compelling her to reconsider, to replay memories, to wonder if she misjudged the situation. And here's what most men never fully grasp. She only experiences this magnetic pull when you stop trying to win her. When you stop reacting, explaining, and chasing. When you turn your energy inward, she feels it. When you reclaim your focus and stand in your own power, she recognizes the absence of control. And that absence awakens something she cannot ignore. Let's pause here for a moment. Stay with me. Imagine a man who stops bending to expectations, who no longer crumbles when she pulls away. That man becomes unpredictable, intriguing, magnetic. He is no longer the version she thought she could influence or dismiss. Women don't plead for men who need them. They desire men who remain unshaken by their absence. This is not magic, it's psychology, it's emotional gravity, and when understood, it changes everything. Before we dive deeper, let me introduce myself. I'm Laura Kent, and today on Laura Psychology Diary, we're uncovering the emotional mechanics that quietly pull a woman back toward a man, and why that return is never about the obvious reasons you think. Section 1. The emotional shift she never saw coming. A woman begins to reconsider, to feel drawn back, at the exact moment the emotional dynamic flips. Initially, she might feel confident, convinced she has control. She tells herself she made the right choice. She expects the world to notice her absence in your life, assumes that you are struggling without her, that your emotional stability will crumble. But slowly, subtly, her certainty begins to waver. This isn't about longing or regret just yet. It's the creeping awareness that something has changed. She notices that you're not the man she anticipated. You didn't fall apart, you didn't beg, you didn't chase. And that unexpected strength shakes her perception of reality. Women are drawn not to the predictable, but to the unexpected. She anticipated your emotional collapse. She expected explanations, long messages, pleading apologies, or desperate attempts to regain her attention. But instead, she encounters calm, grounded, and unwavering presence. That discrepancy, the difference between what she predicted and what she observes, creates a psychological dissonance. The human brain naturally seeks to resolve such dissonance. Suddenly, she thinks of you more, not because she misses the past, but because the present confounds her expectations. She tests your reactions through silence, through social media, through subtle cues, but you remain centered. You don't chase, you don't react emotionally, and your life continues. She begins to question what she assumed about you. That moment of clarity, when she realizes the man she thought she could influence no longer depends on her, is when attraction quietly rekindles. Section 2. Why her mind chases before her words. Here's something crucial to understand. A woman never moves emotionally before her mind does. Her body doesn't reach out first, her words don't initiate the reconnection, and her ego is the last to act. It all begins internally, in the form of thought and reflection. The first stirrings are subtle, confusion. But this confusion is not negative, it's curiosity. Why isn't he chasing me? Why isn't he reacting? She wonders. And from this curiosity emerges comparison. She juxtaposes the version of you she knew with the version she observes now, detached, disciplined, thriving, unshaken by her absence. That contrast unsettles her ego. She realizes you were not dependent on her. You were choosing yourself. Next comes awareness. She sees, often reluctantly, that she underestimated your emotional resilience. She notices the consequences of her choices, and her mind begins creating internal friction. She checks social media, inquires through friends, observes silently. All these actions are subconscious. They are her mind attempting to gauge the distance she now feels, the new energy you carry, and the evolution she didn't anticipate. Then comes the emotional trigger, the moment she recognizes that you have changed. Perhaps you are more focused, calmer, more disciplined. Maybe your posts reflect growth or purpose. Women feel masculine growth instinctively, not as a desire to control it, but as a magnetic pull toward it. This internal chase builds gradually, long before her pride allows her to act outwardly. Section 3, the power shift. At some point, the invisible power dynamic flips. This is the moment when you truly become the prize, not by force, not by arrogance, but through authenticity and self-reclamation. She realizes the man she expected to chase her forever is now fully centered in his own life, elevating himself without waiting for her validation. When a man gives too much too early, security diminishes attraction. Predictability, while comforting, kills curiosity, the root of desire. But when a man becomes the prize, the dynamic changes. He steps back, focuses inward, grows quietly, and demonstrates self-respect. This shift is magnetic. Suddenly, she feels the gap. The man she assumed she controlled is now independent, evolving, and no longer guaranteed. Unpredictability in this context isn't games. It's the natural consequence of transformation. Silence now carries meaning, reflecting discipline and growth. Her mind begins picturing a life without you, even if it doesn't exist yet. And in that imagined absence, fear, desire, and admiration intertwine, building internal pressure that quietly urges her to reconsider. Section 4, the trigger that makes her realize she's losing you. There's a subtle but undeniable spark, the realization that she is no longer the center of your world. This doesn't come from coldness or games. It comes from authenticity. Your life is full, your attention is reclaimed, your focus is inward. She begins noticing the small things, a missed story view, no reaction to a post, a life that continues with purpose without her. Those minor signals accumulate, building emotional tension. Women sense energy changes before they see tangible results. When she perceives that thread of connection weakening, it triggers introspection. This moment is not about panic, it is about recognition. She experiences regret and curiosity simultaneously. She realizes that her absence hasn't broken you, it has built you. She begins to check your online presence, to assess how far you've come. She hovers, she imagines, she probes indirectly. All of this emerges from the psychological realization. You are no longer dependent on her, and that possibility terrifies her. Section 5, the secret that makes her want to come back first. Here is the ultimate truth. A woman returns when she realizes you have transformed into someone she cannot predict, control, or replace. Silence alone is not enough. Distance alone is not enough. It is your evolution, the visible growth, the reclaimed attention, the undeniable self-respect that compels her. She notices that you are no longer the man she left. You are stronger, more focused, more centered. She sees that another woman would desire the man you have become. The psychological pressure is irresistible. Scarcity emerges, not forced, not artificial, but real. Your presence is no longer automatic. Your attention is no longer guaranteed. Desire follows scarcity naturally. Her imagination begins to consider a future she previously dismissed. Pride gives way to curiosity, and curiosity grows into longing. But this longing is not for the old you. It is for the new, upgraded version, The man who rose quietly, independently, and without her prompting. This is the essence of psychological power. Transformation, not manipulation. Your growth becomes the trigger, your evolution the magnet, your absence the message. She will beg, not for the past, not for comfort, not for familiarity, but because she now sees a man she underestimated, a man she doesn't want to lose, and a man who no longer needs her to define his value. At the heart of it all, the reason she comes back is simple. She feels something unexpected. The possibility that she might not have you anymore awakens desire, curiosity, and respect. She feels the weight of her own choices, not because you punished her, but because you elevated yourself. Women don't chase men who remain the same. They chase the men who rise. When you become rooted, calm, disciplined, and self-respecting, your absence speaks louder than words. Your growth becomes proof, your energy becomes the trigger, and your evolution becomes the reason she looks back and thinks, I misjudged him. I underestimated him. I didn't expect this strength. She isn't coming back for closure or convenience. She's coming back because she recognizes the man you have become, a man rare, valuable, and irreplaceable. So remember this, you didn't get her attention because you chased her. You got her attention because you no longer needed her. That is the psychology of power. That is the quiet, undeniable law of attraction that shifts hearts and minds from a distance. If you're ready to rise above emotion and lead with purpose, the next step is action. Knowledge without practice changes nothing. Elevate yourself, focus inward, and reclaim your life. And if you want to go deeper, join the community where transformation isn't temporary, it's lifelong. Enroll once, grow forever, because the moment you step into your power, the world and she will notice. Knowledge without practice changes nothing. Join our community to grow forever. Reclaim your life today.